F250 Lariat Sport Covert Edition, leveled on 37s. This is what we call a home run because this is a can't miss bomb. Let's go. Hey everybody, hope everyone's doing great today. Nsheppard, Willies at Akins and Winder. This truck is a no-doubter. Can't miss it with this one. So incredible, I'm ready to get after it. This truck is a Akins Ford 2021 F250 Lariat Sport, a gate black. It already is a great foundation. A lot of people just like it the way it sits, but you throw Covert Edition action via level kit, Fox shocks, stabilizer, wheels and tires, leveled on 37s, amp power step, RSQ lights out back, rigid light up front, trim the valence. It's all there, y'all. It is all there. Our black on black packages have been phenomenal and did no paint work to this one because the Lariat Sport comes just the way it needs to, but our Covert Edition also is banging, y'all. They are can't miss hits these days. And leveled on 37s, I know a lot of you guys just need a leveled on 35 truck. I understand that, so we're going to do more leveled on 35 trucks coming soon, but the leveled on 37 Covert is that sweet spot as far as this is a amazing proportional ride height and wheel tire size for just a can't miss hit. Can't miss hit. So we are 2.5 inch ready lift, coil spring, leveled up front. We got Fox shocks front and rear. We got a Fox steering stabilizer, the factory steering stabilizer, the single only. We are Method MR305. I can't miss. One of the top off-road wheels of all time. In 20x9, we are plus 18 offset. So I'll show you on the mild to wild scale on a 37, 12.5, 20 BFG KM3, the Truven Baja Champion tire. That plus 18, y'all, really gets you in there. So you're looking at, I mean, the rear, I'd say you're no more than maybe a 3/4 of an inch out, but it's a great setup and stance. So we're kind of in that mid-range on our mild to wild scale, but we're tucked in there. The front tires turn slightly, but we are tucked in there, just a perfect proportion in my opinion. That front lower valence was so long and so ugly. We trimmed it to a trimmer height to have it looking aesthetically pleasing, and just that approach angle is definitely improved also. We have a rigid 30-inch light bar. This actually is the blackout version, so when this is off, this is actually as a black. It's not as bold and chromish as like most of them are. The grille comes from Ford, so those are the emblems just the way they sit. Headlights as well, love those LED projectors. And side badges also, mirror cap taken care of. Amp boards, they do come with a good looking set of black fixed boards, but this amp step really just makes the truck look taller, and this is 3 inches lower than the fixed board, so it just gives you a better entry and exit for everyday drivability. We've got WeatherTech's front and rear. There's our aux switches for our SRQs in the back and our 30-inch up front. We've got great amenities in this one, 360 camera and more, blind spot monitor. This one does not have the rear wheel well liners, which we're going to add that. It did come with the spray-in bed liner as well from Ford, but out back to these SRQs, y'all, this is money. Having these in the back for they look great, but as far as just nighttime visibility out back is almost a must. And then almost a must is black tip. So we take MBRP DPF back. You can see connector piece there, run it back. And this is a 6-inch, so it's a 4-inch inlet. We typically do a 5-inch. This was actually a 6-inch, and I like it being slightly larger. It really just has that brawny, tough, Super Duty vibe to it. You know, this truck is available for sale as of today. It is Friday the 13th, y'all. It's Friday the 13th. Got a black truck out here. Something's going to happen. Probably just sell this truck. That's all that's going to happen. But currently available, let's check out the window sticker. So our Super Duty window sticker is 75785, stock number MEE03009, and here is our Covert package information there, y'all. Comes down to $93,671 before discount. Just great value in all the parts that we added, and tastefully done, not too tall, a great proportion on 37s with a very fitting with an entire combo as well for that off-road vibe, and speedometer, calibrator, and all of our paperwork that goes into our process. From the manufacturer, there's like our checklist for making sure everything, suspension, alignment, wheel tire, accessories are all been verified. There's our Hypertech speedometer calibrator as well. So she's a stunning, beautiful Super Duty. Oh my gosh, I hope you like this one. Let me know what your thoughts are on the total package, front to back, price point, etc. Just give me all your thoughts, guys. I love hearing feedback from you great customers and followers of ours right here on our YouTube channel. And you know I'm having fun. I'm having a blast out here. Got all red on because it's Friday. My son's Norfolk County team is wearing red on Friday too. So fall is approaching, so is football and hunting. And this truck is always in season. So just keep that in mind and come see us at Akins and Wild Willies for all of your vehicle needs. And again, thanks so much for watching. Peace.